Good day, everyone. Today is the 16th day of July 2024. There is something that is happening in Benue State. This thing has become a normal thing to the extent that anytime it happens, nobody cares to talk about it. And what could that be? Insecurity. In Benue State, we have a Reverend Father as the governor, Father Hyacinth. This Reverend Father don't know what he's doing. He don't know what he's doing. He keep on praising Abuja. This Reverend Father keep on praising Tinubu, keep on praising everyone. And his people are dying every day. This man is not speaking forth. I am not a fan of the former governor of Benue State, Mr. Otom. Mr. Otom, he spoke up. He dragged Buhari. He signed into law the banning of open grazing. He fought them, even though he was unable to bring it to the barest minimum. But that man fought hard to make sure that his people will breathe. But this Reverend Father, anytime there is insecurity in Benue State, before you know, you give a statement and praise Abuja. But your people are dying. The Reverend Father, I'm very ashamed of you because you left what you are supposed to be doing and you join politics. You don't know that politics is not your mate. Look at your people are dying every day. In this year, go and verify. I counted 39 attacks, only Benue State. 39 attacks. Read my lips. Go and Google what I'm saying. Go and check from the 1st of January 2024 to today being July 16. Benue State have received 39 attacks, and all these attacks are followed by casualties. All these attacks are followed by sacking of villages, imposing hard labor on people, collecting tax on people. The real people are dying, and the Reverend Father is there praising Abuja. I think this time around, people should call him out because he needs to resign and go back to the church and go back to the altar. See, we are not saying that the Reverend Father is the cause of it. I'm not saying that the Reverend Father is supposed to stop it personally and stop everything. But can't you speak? Can't you speak for your people? Can't you call out the government, call for help? Let people see that you are trying, even though you are unable to stop it. After all, federal government have not been able to stop insecurity because we have accused them several times that they are accomplices. But speak for your people, Reverend Father. That place is not your job. That place is not your calling. Go back to the altar. You see? Every good dancer should know when to leave the stage. You came to the stage when people did not invite you. And I think it's time for you to leave the stage. I know it is not something of the custom of Nigerian politicians to resign. It's not in their custom. But you can start, doing it from yourself. Tender your resignation and go back to the church. Now, this article was written yesterday, July 15, 2024, from Shara Reporters. Shara Reporters is only newspaper that try to report what is happening in the rural area. I told you time without number that Nigerian newspapers and media, they don't report anything going on in Nigeria. Forget about Abuja. It's only Abuja, Port Harcourt, Lagos, all this metropolitan city. That is the news they have in Nigeria. We don't have journalism who cover rural areas, who cover everything that is happening in Nigeria. But Shara Reporters is trying in that aspect. Now, the article reads that armed herdsmen attack Benue communities, kill 13 persons. Suspected armed herdsmen have reportedly invaded a Benue State community in separate attacks, killing at least 13 people. It was gathered that 12 people were reportedly killed in Ejima in Agatu on Sunday, and one displaced person returning from a farm in Gwa West local government of the state. A local source who spoke to journalists on Monday reported that one displaced person was injured and 5 others were still missing. At a Gwa in Agatu local government area, it was reported that suspected armed herders launched a deadly attack on the community. That is what we have been hearing on this. Suspected herders launched a deadly attack on the community. Now, people may ask, why is it that Benue State are, receiving this attack several times? It is because of the river Benue. The river bank that makes, the grass, the forest, all those places to have green leaves. The leaves there never dries because of the flowing river there. So because of that, these people have decided that they will make that place their home to feed their cattle. And what is going on now is that for them to stay there, they need to sack the villagers. And most of these people are not Nigerians. This is the most unfortunate thing. We want to protest and call for the end of all these things. So, continuing from the next paragraph of the article, it reads, Godwin Edoh, a lawmaker from the Agatu state constituency in the House of Assembly, also confirmed that 12 people were killed as reported. He said, we are tired of daily killing at Ogbumogbo, Ejima, and all those areas down to Ikpele. Those villages have been deserted for close to 1 year. So, those places are like Fulani colony. I'm not the one saying it. A lawmaker is telling you that a local government is now a Fulani colony, that those places has been deserted, that they are tired of daily killing. Read my lips, daily killing. That is what the House of Assembly member representing the constituency is saying. But nobody's talking about this. You people see the reason why I'm saying that Nigeria can't be one like this forever. And when you say if people who are benefiting from this government or who don't understand the structure of this government will come out to tell you, you should not say that. Why would you say that? But my prayers for you is that what happened to all these people who are dying, let it happen to you who is supporting one Nigeria. Let it happen to you, you that don't know the pains of people who are suffering. Let it happen to you and your family, because you don't want to understand that every day, you hear what the Lawmaker says, every day, killing. Just imagine today your mother, they remove your mother pass on, next tomorrow your father pass on, every day your family start passing on. Can you bear it? Because sometimes I try to put myself in the position of people who are depressed, people who are going through all those things. How can I bear such a thing? Just imagine, maybe these people will come to my village and chase people out, destroy houses, kill people. Can you bear the pain? So if you can't bear the pain, try to understand the position of people. Now, during Otom government, the former governor of Benue State, this man wanted, to use his, militant to fight these people, arm them. But Buhari stopped him. The dangers of one Nigeria that people don't want to understand. So, if this thing continues, how can we begin to pretend and say we are one Nigeria? Let us do something about this in peace. Let's do something about this in peace, because this is getting out of hand. I am afraid because people are not talking about it. People are paying deaf ears to it. If this thing happened in America or happened in Israel or it happened in Gaza, CNN, BBC, Al Jazeera, everybody will be, but look at what is happening. No one is talking about it. It is well. But until then, nothing is well. Now, the article continues. Say this one happened yesterday, Sunday. 12 people were killed. When told that the governor said relative peace had returned, that IDPs are going back to their ancestral homes, the Lawmaker said that it is a lie. They are talking nonsense. There is no peace anywhere. You see why I started this video by calling this governor out? Because Governor Hysen don't know what he's doing. As far as I'm concerned, the man is playing game. How can you leave your church, you leave Reverend Father work, and come here and begin to tell lies? Reverend Father, they talk lie. The Lawmaker representing these people that Fulani have colonized their place, he said that the governor don't know what he's saying. So someone who knows Governor Hysen should let him know that it is time you stop playing game with people. It is time you stop playing games with people. The game you are playing with the people of Benue State is too much. How can you tell people that the peace has come to Benue State and people are dying everywhere? People can't go to their ancestral homes. You said peace have come, that people will soon go back to their ancestral home. If peace has come, why are they not in their ancestral home? The Reverend Father should be very, very careful. Stop playing politics with human lives. At least, we expected you to be a different kind of person, a Reverend Father for that matter. If you don't understand how Nigerian politics is, don't join. I thought maybe you joined to expose them, you joined to fight for your people, you joined to make a difference. You are the worst governor I've ever seen. What are you doing what are you doing in that seat? The lives of your people are not getting better. Your people are being chased out of their ancestral land every day, and you keep quiet. You should better remain quiet forever, because I don't know what you are going to speak that you will not speak error. Every day you are saying peace has returned, peace has returned. I don't know whether you are living in Abuja or you are living in Benue, because if you are living in Benue, I think you're supposed to know what is going on. Now, the Lawmaker continued to say that even the IDPs they said have returned, if you go there, you will see them there. So I don't know why they use propaganda. It is not correct. And that is the work of APC. Propaganda. Everywhere propaganda. Now it says, the Guer West local government area suspected armed headers were reported to have attacked some displaced persons who were returning from their farms on Sunday, killing one injured and 5 others still missing. He said, Jacob Turner, a former camp manager of Agagbe IDP camp, said, armed Fulani headers attacked and killed Mr. Ikwimbu Aldowase, 30, while Mr. Achin Tazwigwe, 45, was badly injured and 5 others missing. According to him, the suspected armed headers ambushed the displaced people while returning from farm. The displaced people for that matter. Confirming the incident to Punch, the police command spokesperson, Catherine Anene stated that 5 people were killed in the Agota community. However, she clarified that she was not aware of any incident in Agagbe, Gware West local government area. There was an attack in Agota, about 5 persons were killed, but in Gware West, I'm not aware of that, she added. So this is what is going on in Benue State. And people don't want us to talk about all these things. Anytime you start talking about these things, they will think that you are attacking the government, that you don't want the government to rule, that you are an enemy of the government. But I only have one prayer for you. May what happened to these people happen to you and your generation. For those who are supporting the bad government, for those who don't want to speak, for people who don't have voice to speak for themselves. You don't want people to say that people are dying. You don't want them to say it at all. For you, let everybody keep quiet and let people be saying all is well. Let what happened to those people happen to you.